Hello children, we are in chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. In earlier video I taught you about iron ore. Today we will start our video with manganese. See, our India is third in the world in manganese production. See, we are in third rank in manganese production. Manganese is a brownish or a grey white metal that breaks easily. It can form but easily broken. It is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. Nearly 9 kg manganese is required for manufacturing 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, dry batteries and china clay. As an alloy, it decreases the brittleness of steel and imparts strength. The amount of manganese used per ton steel is only about 6 to 9 kilograms. About 30% of that is used during the refinement of iron ore, and the remaining 70% is used as an alloy in the final steel production. It makes steel strong, removes impurities and make it immune to rusting. Another important use of a manganese is creating an alloy with aluminium to produce a metal that is resistant to corrosion. Corrosion means erosion by a chemical action. Manganese is also used in manufactures of a ferromanganese, silicomanganese, chrome manganese. Preparation of a organic and inorganic chemical, manganese is used. Okay children. Now see, we will learn about distribution of manganese, where it is distributed in India. See, distribution of manganese. Now the leading producer of manganese, Odisha. Odisha is the leading producer and it is mined in Sardargarh, Koraput, Bolangir and Sambalpur, Kalahandi, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj district. Second largest producer is Karnataka. Karnataka is the second largest producer and deposits are found mainly in Tumkur, Ballari, Shivamogga and Chitradurg. In Maharashtra, the main belt is Nagpur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri district. The manganese found here is high quality and is in a great demand. The demand of these manganese are so much, highly demanded, and its quality is also very high. In Madhya Pradesh, the main belt where manganese is found in Chhindwara and Balaghat districts. Now see, other states where manganese is found. The other states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand. Here also we can find manganese, good quality of manganese for the commercial purpose. Now come to another mineral. The third one is bauxite. India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world. As like manganese also we are in third position. The same in bauxite also we are in third position. Bauxite is a non-ferrous. Non-ferrous, that means non-iron, clay-like substance or soft mineral from which aluminium metal is obtained. It obtains by the decomposition of rock that contains alumina silicates. Aluminium is a strong, stable and light metal. It is good conductor, malleable and resistant to rusting. Now see, uses of bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material for making aluminium. It is a rock consisting of a hydrated aluminium oxide. It is used for making aircrafts, ships and utensils, etc. It is used in electrical industries for its good conductivity. It is also used for making headlight reflectors, mirrors and telescope. Bauxite is also used in cement chemical, soda cans and dishwashers. Now see children, we will study about the distribution of bauxite in India. Yes, chiefly we find bauxite in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and the other states are the Jharkhand, where we can find bauxite. Now, after bauxite, we will learn about copper. Copper is high ductile. Ductile means able to be drawn out into a thin wire, strong and good conductor of electricity. We can see in each and every electrical appliances, we can see copper. The copper wires are used. They are very thin. Now see, uses of copper. The use of copper is universal in India. Even in the early days of civilization, copper was used for making arms, ammunitions and utensils. Copper is in a great demand in the industrial field because of its high ductility and high thermal and electrical conductivity. It is mainly used in electrical machineries, automobile industries, stainless steel and telephones. Copper is also used in railway equipment industries and other engineering works. Copper, fairly resistant to atmosphere corrosion, is widely used for making alloy such as a brass. So brass we make copper plus zinc, and bronze we are using copper plus tin, that is bronze. So they are making alloy. Now come to distribution of copper in India. Madhya Pradesh has become the largest producer of India, surpassing Rajasthan and Jharkhand in succession. So the first is Madhya Pradesh, and after Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Okay. See, in Rajasthan, copper is found in Khetri, Singhada belt in Jhunjhunu district. It is also mined in Ajmer, Alwar, Bhilwara and Chittorgarh. Jharkhand is the third largest producer state of copper in the country. Copper is mined in Hazaribagh and Palamu districts. So children, we completed our chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. So listen, children, if you have any doubt or if you have any query regarding this chapter, you can write in comment. You can comment it. I'll solve your query and go through your chapter, and if query is there, you can write in, you can comment, and if have a good day. God bless you.